Hi friends, welcome to the second episode of color combinations for home. Today we will explore color combination for bathroom and home exterior. When crafting the design for your washroom, the color combination you select plays a crucial role in creating a space that balances functionality with tranquility and personal style. Choosing the right colors can significantly impact the overall ambience, making it a soothing retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. Consider incorporating soft, calming hues such as pale blue, gentle greens, or subtle gray to evoke a sense of serenity and cleanliness. Ideal for unwinding after a long day or preparing for a new one. Alternatively, opting for crisp white and light neutrals can lend a timeless elegance to the space, creating a bright and airy environment that promotes a sense of cleanliness and fair and freshness. Additionally, adding accents of natural materials like wood or stones can introduce warmth and textures, enhancing the overall aesthetic and fostering a connection with nature. By carefully curating a harmonious color palette that complements the washroom size, layout, and architecture features, you can create a tranquil oasis that invites relaxation and revitalization, transforming your daily routine into a spa-like experience. Friends, these ideas are very beautiful, modern, and luxury. You can enjoy these ideas. You can apply these ideas in your washrooms freely. Friends, please like, comment, and share these ideas. These are very beautiful ideas. You can see the wonderful color combination is present in these ideas. Our next segment is about exterior designs color combination for your home. When envisioning the exterior design of your home, the color combination you choose is fundamental in creating curb appeal and reflecting your personal style while harmonizing with the surrounding environment. Selecting the right colors can enhance the architectural features of your home and create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors and passersby alike. Consider incorporating timeless natural tones such as warm beige, soft grey, or creamy whites for a classic and elegant look that complements various architectural styles. These colors provide a versatile backdrop that allows for accents and trim in complementary shades, adding visual interest and depth to the exterior. Alternatively, opting for bold and vibrant colors like deep blues, rich reds, or earthy greens can make a statement and influence your home with personality and charm. These colors can be used strategically on doors, shutters, or accents to create a focal point and add character to the facade. Additionally, consider consider the natural surroundings and climate of your location when selecting colors for the exterior. Soft muted tones may blend seamlessly with the wooded landscape, while brighter colors can stand out in a more urban setting. By carefully curating a cohesive color palette that complements the architectural style of your home and reflects your personal taste, you can create an exterior that not only enhances club appeal but also makes a lasting impression, welcoming you and your guests with style and warmth. Friends, please like, share, and comment on these ideas, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.